Okay, good evening. Uh, so I just now, okay, I have in, I actually recently bought these tools. I bought two. One is impact. One is stubby what? This one is uh, what? Half a inch socket for the open the screw and nut one. So this one is an impact driver. So I bought this one new because this one just released I think end of last year. So this one have 700 over opening Newton torque, so very high. Screw on at 500 plus, open at 700 plus. So these are normal screw impact driver. So I bought these two. But I knowing very well is I use this tool for convenient purpose, but my usage not heavy because maybe car repair, sometimes open a lot of screw, all this thing. So I bought this one. So I knowing that I mean the battery will not how do you say it? It's a waste because the battery I will maybe 1 year use one time, two time, three time like that only. Sometimes service car that kind of thing only. Repair some small repair car. I mean I'm not expecting I'm going to repair car every month. Going to kill. They're going to be too problematic. So yeah, once a year, twice a year maybe. So the problem is, I know very well that the battery cannot last. I mean the battery spoiled because I keep too long. So I've been trying to buy the power battery with the external power, but I couldn't find over the internet. I mean Lazada, Shopee, Taobao, and what's that? Pinduoduo. They all don't have. They all don't have the this power source. They're using the car battery one. They do not have. Nobody have. In fact, I couldn't find from YouTube also that anybody guide how to do this. Anyway, so I managed to find Pinduoduo buying selling this battery kits. I mean so-called the battery kits so that I can use my own battery one. So they coming in this pack with this connector. Okay, so what I did is I modified it anyway, not really modified I just soldered it. Okay, I just solder the power into here. I should put it like that. So I solder the cable direct to the interface here. So I think I soldered quite big amount of the, how do you solder soldering iron. So I don't know whether how much can it, I mean how strong it, but I'm putting a lot of the soldering iron inside there. The tin I put in a lot, and also the surface also quite big, large one. Okay, the whole entire surface. Okay, so I use this, and of course with this cable, put it inside here. So there's no battery inside. There's no battery inside. So this cable is actually come out directly. So I think I will do is I will just put some small coil here so that there's no tension. So I putting in, so I allow some space, how to say, space here, not to stretch the cable. Yep. So I already soldered here. I also already soldered here. Okay. So just now I retested that, but never mind. Let's go outside and test with the battery. Today I'm gonna do figure out showing everyone. I recently invest on this Milwaukee so-called handheld tools. Because sometimes we need to turn a lot of screw. Sometimes there's a lot of screw, so getting tired. So I invested on these tools to help. But knowing that I not a heavy user, and a lot of time I have a power source, but I also do not want to invest on the battery, because I know the battery, you like it or not, you use it or not, after 2 years or 3 years it kaput. So and I had to keep buying the battery, and worst part is battery you need to keep it at least what, 80% full. If it's leave it there for a long period of time, I think below 30%, I guess. In fact, the lifespan is shorter. So that's why from time to time I had to give the battery charge. And if you did not charge it frequently to 80%, keep it at 80%, the lifespan is short. So I'm thinking about to put the wire. So I'm thinking to use the car battery, so to put some extension cord of the cable to the crocodile's cable. So I have already done this one. I bought it from Pink Toto. I bought it from Pink Toto. So it's actually a case kit. So the case kit, they mean internal there is no battery lah. So it comes with the kits. I supposed to be put in the 3 lithium battery, but I did not. So I actually drew a hole at the bottom. I drew a hole to the bottom, so I get the cable go through. I tied it up already, so I soldered it inside. So I have this. So at first I'm not optimistic it work, but it worked. So now I have this one. I have this one. So now let me just show you. I will put the crocodile clip to my 12-volt battery. So I go clip it to my 12-volt battery. So you can clip it to your car 12-volt battery, but I guess you have to use a battery, because why? These two draw a lot of power. You cannot use a power supply type of the power, because power supply type of power, they are actually what, 3 amps, 5 amps, that kind of thing only. They cannot deliver high power, especially if you have those high torque range. So now this guy will power, plug in, okay, and so I have this running, but this one running on car battery. So it means if I were buy this piece of thing, I got 2 amps, 2.5 amp, 3 amp, I think 4 amp, 5 amp until 6 amp, correct? I think 6 amp is the highest you got, okay? But I got this battery, 90 amps. This guy is 90 amp. So that means by having this one plug in, I can continue crank. This guy, if I fully charge, I can get 12.8 volt. So 12.8 volt, I can let this guy continue run until this guy burn. Until the motor burn. I think the battery still can last. So I actually at beginning I tried to look for somebody selling this or not, but it seems like nobody's selling. I try to look for somebody selling the adapters, adapters, but with 12 volt battery. I having this one is how many amps? I think if I'm not mistaken, it's a 10 amps cable. This side is a 10 amps cable. Okay, so so I put it in. So right now I will put in this one. If I will go and service my car, I will. So this is one running. Okay, so power is there lah. This is power 1, power 2, power 3. Okay, so this length I have right now is I make about I think 2 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. So it's about 6 feet length. Okay, so now I can at any one time I no need to worry about my battery. Either forgotten to charge or spoil already, can no longer charge, had to buy another battery. The battery not cheap, few hundred ringgit. So that small battery not bad. So this one with the cordless battery is good for the place, construction area, new places. There is no power source coming in. I think those make sense. For me, I actually use it for repair my car, repair mostly car. Inside the house, I also do something. So anyway, my house also got a old car battery, which you cannot crank start the starter anymore. The car battery is so low. But anyway, it still work for my this piece of thing. So, yep, these are the cable that I make. I think this guy cost me 15 ringgit. Of course, the cable is another price depend what you all buy But I think this is a 10 amps cable. If I'm not mistaken, it's a HAWS 8 like that. 8 or 10, I forgot. And with the crocodile clips. So I soldered it already. So this one already soldered. This one also soldered already. So yep. So if you find out this one interested, can like it, I can earn some like. Okay, thank you.